Offer them a promotion that's only good for today. Okay? This is where you get them. And you're going to get some. Why are you going to get some? Because you just gave them value for 60 minutes. You just showed them the authority. You showed them who you are. Offer them something. Say, hey, I have a 70% off. I have 50% off my credit analysis. I have 50% off my monthly. But it's only good today. Okay? It's only good today. Raise your hand right now and tell me if you're ready.
I'm ready.
Who's ready?
Let's go.
See? If you're right, this is how you do it.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand right now before we get off this call. Tell me who's ready to take advantage of 70% off the VIP experience.
White, let's go. Thank you.